Welcome to Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. I'm Kurt, and today we're going to look at the UglyQuilt top quilts. Right now I'm offering these in a 30 degree and a 50 degree, so these are like spring summer quilts. Inside they've got ClimaShield Apex inside, either 2.5 ounce or 5 ounce per yard Apex, and the outside shell and liner are made from 1.6 ounce HyperD Ripstop Nylon. They're also offered in two configurations. They are available in a sewn foot box or a snap closed foot box. The difference between those are, if you want to use this as an all-around camp blanket, I'd go with the snap close, and I'll show you that real quick. Let me take it off. You can see on the bottom, instead of there being Velcro or any kind of drawstring, it's kind of a square bottom, like a sleeping bag, but it's just got snaps on there that snap it shut. So again, like I said, these are more designed for spring and summer, especially the snap bottom, because it's not completely sealed on the bottom. If you want to keep more warmth in the bottom, the sewn foot box, so I got an example of that right here. It's a little tapered at the bottom. It's got this sewn seam, so it does not open up. It is only able to be used as either a top quilt for a hammock, or you can also use this as a very simple sleeping bag if you're going to the ground, either with that foot box closed or opened up. You can also use this around camp. You're just sitting around, you want to warm up a little bit, you can unsnap this, you can throw it over you, or if you're sleeping on the ground and you don't like having your feet enclosed, you can just open up and use it as a blanket. The overall length on these is about 70 inches, which is long enough that if I'm putting this on, I can have my feet all the way down the bottom. Now I'm 5'10", and I can take this, throw it clear up over my head. So it's got plenty of length to it. If you're unfamiliar with how you get into a top quilt, you just put your feet in the open area here. You pull your feet over it, and you just lift them right up out of the hammock. Put your feet in, hold down, put your feet down, and then since the top end is opened and not closed around you, it lays on you like a blanket. Now, none of that's anything new if you're familiar with top quilts, but if you're new to hammocking or new to top quilts, that's why they're shaped that way. So that way, you're not kind of trapped in it. If you ever try to get into a sleeping bag in a hammock, you know what I'm talking about. It's not exactly fun. But this allows you to have your feet completely surrounded, keeps the quilt on you, but gives your arms and upper body the room to move without being completely wrapped up inside of it. That's what your underquilt is for, to give you warmth from the underside. So the overall dimensions of it, if you've got the snap foot box and you open it up, it'd be about 55 by 70. And again, they come in two installation options right now, a 50 degree and a 30 degree. This is the 50 degree. And for me, I'm a warm sleeper. I can take this down into the 40s and I've got no problem. So, your mileage may vary, and also depends on what you're using as your underquilt as well. So, a little from the hammock look at the new UglyQuilt top quilts. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next.